These Victorian bedspreads were created by the very same artist in the early 1900s. They were featured in Victoria magazine in the mid-90s and consequently purchased in 1995 from Deanna Hanna estate sales in Los Angeles for $600 each. They were displayed at a family estate in British Columbia until last year, then professionally cleaned and finally restored by me, Rita de Maintenon of Heirloom Treasures Fiber Arts, and they are now back to excellent, like new condition. They are available separately or receive a discount if purchased together. The original invoice is available. Here is a look at the first spread with the unusual border. It is 95 inches long and 90 inches wide, including fringe. It is made of white bedspread cotton. Variations of popcorn squares with rose centers were popular at that time. The unusual shell and diamond edge with corkscrew fringe makes this spread an unusual standout, and it was featured along with the other piece created by the same artist in the magazine in 1995. Here is a look at the second spread with the pointed side border. This spread is 80 inches long and 80 inches wide, and this queen-size beauty was made around the turn of the century as well. It is created of popcorn diamonds, which are connected with a rose and leaves design. The pointed diamonds border this spread is only worked on the sides, since this spread was designed to be used with a footboard. It can also be used as a throw because it is perfectly square.